Hi, this is Kirti. Today I am going to explain about the difference between the connected lookup and unconnected lookup. And before that, you have to know about the lookup transformation in Informatica. We use lookup transformation to look up data on a table or a file or a view or a synonym. Internally, when you created the lookup transformation, it will stores the data in cache memory based on the lookup ports and the condition which we have given in the lookup transformation. So it will be easy and faster for the integration service to query data stored in a cache memory. Now let's coming to our main topic. What are the difference between the connected lookup and unconnected lookup? The first point is connected lookup participates in data flow and receives input directly from the pipeline. When it comes to the unconnected lookup, it receives input values from the result of lookup expression which we have used in the another transformation. Normally we will use expression aggregator or update strategy transformations to give the inputs to the unconnected lookup by using this lookup expression. The syntax I have given here. Let's coming to the second point. Connected lookup can use both dynamic and static cache. When it comes to the unconnected lookup, cache cannot be dynamic. You will get a doubt like what is the dynamic and static cache. I will explain in next session. Let's coming to the third point. Connected lookup can return more than one column value as an output to the next transformation. But when it comes to the unconnected lookup, it can return only one column as an output. Let's coming to the fourth point. For connected lookup, we cannot call the same lookup multiple times in one mapping. If we use the unconnected lookup, then we can call the lookup multiple times in the same mapping. So it is nothing but reusability concept. Coming to fifth point, connected lookup supports user defined default values, which means lookup condition are not satisfied, we can return user defined default values. When it comes to the unconnected lookup, it does not support the user defined default values. So guys, these are the main differences between the connected lookup and unconnected lookup. So I hope you understood these differences. Thanks for watching this video.